Welcome to my review of HaloDoc, one of the most popular telehealth platforms available today. If you're curious about how telemedicine works or looking for an app to connect with healthcare professionals online, this is the video for you. HaloDoc offers a wide range of services, including online consultations with licensed doctors, medication delivery, and access to health-related articles and advice. In this video, I'll walk you through the platform step by step and share my personal experience using its features. Starting with the interface, HaloDoc is user-friendly and well-organized. On the home screen, you'll find clear options for consulting with a doctor, ordering medication, or scheduling lab tests. The Consult a Doctor feature allows you to connect with specialists across various fields, from general practitioners to dermatologists, within minutes. Booking a consultation is seamless. Just choose your preferred doctor, select a time slot, and you're ready to go. The app also includes a detailed profile for each doctor, showing their credentials, areas of expertise, and even user reviews. This transparency helps users feel confident about the quality of care they're receiving. During my consultation, the video call quality was smooth, and the doctor was professional and attentive, addressing all my concerns thoroughly. Another standout feature of HaloDoc is its integrated pharmacy service. After your consultation, the doctor can provide an e-prescription, which you can fill directly through the app. The medication is then delivered to your doorstep, often within a few hours. I found this feature incredibly convenient, especially for those with busy schedules or mobility challenges. HaloDoc also offers a library of health articles and tips, which I found helpful for staying informed about common medical conditions and preventive care. Whether you're dealing with a chronic condition or just looking for general wellness advice, there's plenty of information to explore. One area where HaloDoc could improve is its pricing transparency. While the consultation fees are displayed up front, some users may find the medication and lab test costs a bit unclear until after the order is placed. Additionally, availability of services like lab testing may vary depending on your location, which can be limiting for some users. Overall, HaloDoc delivers on its promise of making healthcare more accessible and convenient. It's a reliable platform for those who want quick access to medical professionals without the need to visit a clinic or hospital. I've recommended it to anyone looking to streamline their healthcare experience through telemedicine. Thanks for watching this review of HaloDoc. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech and service reviews. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.